content மட்டும் கவனிக்கடா. Potato chips. இது எல்லாமா கேக்குது?
ஓ கேக்குதா? Hi guys, good evening. Hello. How are you? How's your preparations? Okay. Am I audible to all of you? Hi. Yeah, potato chips guys, potato chips. We are going to have it sooner. Okay. So shall we start today? Happy evening, engineer. Wrong. Here they are having they have used have here. This is also wrong. Here nothing is used, so this is also wrong. So option D is the right answer. Okay, last option. Last option, right answer. Harshi, audio ungalku mattum kekkலையா எல்லாருக்கும் kekkலையா buffering Okay, once more guys. Who can hear? Oh sorry. யார் யாருக்குலாம் ஒழுங்கா கேக்குது? எல்லாருக்கும் கேக்குது தானே? Okay, Harshi. Okay, done, Shweta. Okay. So first question option D. First question option D, right? There's no doubt in that. Okay. Second one. The boy laughed at the beggar. The boy laughed at the beggar. Okay. So the boy is the subject. Laughed at is the verb. The beggar is the object. Okay. So how will you change it? The beggar laughed. This is in V2. Verb is in V2. So it must be changed to was or were plus V3. Was or were plus V3. Right? Okay. So laughed should be changed to was laughed. Okay. The beggar was laughed at. Laughed at should be followed. Okay. The beggar was laughed at by the boy. Done. Option D. Option D guys. Superb. Next one. The government has launched a massive tribal welfare program in Jharkhand. Okay. The government subject has launched. Okay. Verb a massive tribal welfare program. Okay. So that is the object. So how will you change this one? A massive tribal welfare program. Okay. Here they have used has. Then the following passive should have has been, right? Has been should be used. So option B is the right answer. Option B. Option B. Done. Superb. Next one. The boys were playing cricket. Were playing cricket. Okay. Past continuous. Then it must be changed to was or were plus being plus V3. Was or were plus being plus V3. So were playing, we should use being. Okay, only being is used here. So option D. Okay. Next one. Option D. Fourth one, option D. Super Ram Prasad. Next one. They drew a circle in the morning. They drew a circle. Okay. Drew is in V2. V2, right? It must be changed to was or were plus V3. Was or were plus V3. So draw, drew, drawn, right? Drawn. Okay. So being drawn is wrong. Was drawn is right. Okay. Have been drawn is wrong. Has been also drawn. Okay. So option B is the right answer. Option B. Option B. Okay. Done. Next one. They will demolish the entire block. They will demolish the entire block. Okay. So they is the subject. Will demolish verb the entire block. Okay. So the entire block. See, when we have will, it must be changed to will be now. Okay. So the entire block will be demolished. Will be demolished. So option D. The entire block will be demolished. Done guys? Okay. Next one. The burglar destroyed several items in the room. Even the carpet has been torn. Okay. The burglar destroyed several items. Okay. Subject, verb, object. Okay. So several items. Okay. Destroyed V2. It must be was or were plus V3. Items plural. So were. Several items in the room were destroyed. Were destroyed is right. Okay. Here they have used only destroyed. So this one is wrong. Have been is wrong. Being destroyed is wrong. So option B is the right answer. Option B. Done. Next one. We must respect the elders. We must respect the elders. If they have used must, the following should have must be. Okay, must be, must be. Okay. So which one is right? The elders must be respected, or the elders must be respected by us? Okay. They said the most appropriate would be option B. Most appropriate would be option B. Okay. Most appropriate would be option B. Okay. We have warned you. We have warned you. Okay. So have, they have used have here. So it must be followed by have been. Okay. Have been. Okay. Have you been warned? Okay. This one is wrong. So you have been warned. Option A is the right answer. 9th one, option A. Next one. Has anybody answered your question? Has anybody answered your question? Has anybody answered your question? Okay. So anybody answered your question. Okay. Subject, verb, object. So your question answered must be changed by. Okay. They have used has here. Then has been must be followed, right? Has your question been answered? Has your question been answered? 10th one C. Very good, guys. Next one. The shopkeeper lowered the prices. The shopkeeper lowered the prices. Okay. The prices lowered. So it must be were lowered. The prices were lowered by the shopkeeper. The prices were lowered by the shopkeeper. We cannot say have you. Okay. Have you is wrong. Has your question. Your question is the subject here. So option B is the right answer. Option B for 11. Option B. Okay. Next one. One must keep one's promises. One must keep one's promises. Or any apostrophe S. One must keep one's promises. Okay. Since we have must here, must be is the appropriate one. So option D. Promises must be kept. Promises must be kept. Next one. The government has not approved the new drug for sale. The government has not approved the new drug for sale. Okay. Here we have used has. So has been must be followed. Yeah. The government has not approved the new drug. Okay. The new drug has not been approved. The new drug has not been approved. Option B. Okay. Why not be? Where? Here must be followed. Must be. Okay, that's why we are using option D. Okay. So next one. They have published all the details of the information. They have published all the details of the information. Okay. So they is the subject. Have published all the details of the invitation. Okay. So this must be the object here. All the details of the have published. So it must be have been published. Have been published. Have been published. Okay. Have been invited. Have been detailed. So option A. Option A. Have been published. Okay. Published is the main verb, guys. Published. Okay. Published is the main verb. So have been published could be appropriate. Next one. He teaches us grammar. He teaches us grammar. He teaches us grammar. He teaches us. Okay. So it must be changed to we are taught. We are taught grammar by him. He teaches us grammar. We are taught grammar by him. Okay. Next one. 14th A. See, I told you grammar was taught to us. First give preference to primary subject, guys. First give preference to the primary subject. Okay. Here primary subject is us. Okay. Secondary subject is the grammar. First give preference to the primary subject. Okay. I have told you, I am telling you again and again. Remember, see only the subject, verb and object. Okay. Subject, verb and object. If there is no appropriate given solution there, then choose the secondary subject. Then try to make a sentence using secondary subject. Okay. First use the primary subject. Okay. So we are taught grammar by him. That's the most appropriate one. Okay. Next one. the manager could not accept the union leaders' proposals. The manager could not accept the union leaders' proposals. Okay. The union leaders. Okay. This one is apostrophe S. Okay, guys. Apostrophe S. Okay. The union leaders' proposals. See, we have used could here, so it must be could not be. Could not be. Okay. Could not be accepted. Could not be accepted by the manager. Next one. Prepare yourself for the worst. Prepare yourself for the worst. Okay. So here, prepare is the main verb, right? Prepare, which is in V1. V1 should be changed to am, is, are plus V3. Am, is, are plus V3. That is, what do you mean by am, is, are? They are be form of the verb, right? Be form of the verb. Okay. So prepare should be replaced by be prepared. Be prepared for the worst. Be prepared for the worst. Okay. So option C is the right answer. This is a unique sentence. Try to remember this one. Okay. So prepare yourself for the worst must be replaced by be prepared for the worst. Be prepared for the worst. Okay. Done, guys. Super. Okay. Please shut the door and go to sleep. Please shut the door and go to sleep. Since they have said please. Okay. So requested must be followed. Requested must be followed. Okay. So this must be you are requested to shut the door and go to sleep. Done, guys. So option C. Option C. See, they are asking about, they are telling please, then requested must be followed. You must use requested, not the B, not option B. Next one. It is impossible to do this. It is impossible to do this. So to do 2 plus V1, 2 plus V1, it must be changed to 2 plus B plus V3. Okay. So to be done, to be done. This is impossible to be done. This is impossible to be done. Okay, guys. Next one. We cannot use doing. Doing is ing. There is no ing here. Okay. We cannot use doing. That is wrong. Okay. Super, guys. Next one. We must take care of all living species on earth. We must take care of. We must take care of all living species on earth. Okay. So all living species on earth must, since we have used must here, must be taken. Okay. All living species on earth must be taken care of by us. Good, guys. 20 superb. Understood? Done? Okay, next one. People call him a fool. People call him a fool. Call is in V1 form, right? Call is in V1. Okay. Must be followed by am is are plus V3. Am is are plus V3. Okay. So which is the most appropriate one? Very good, guys. He is called a fool by the people. He is called a fool by the people. Okay, next one. It is being read by us. It is being read by us. It is being read by us. Being read, okay? Being read, so ing form must be followed, okay? So we are reading it. We are reading it. Done? Understood? Okay, next one. He had committed a mistake. He had committed a mistake. Okay. Here they have used had. So had been must be followed. Have only had here. Was here. Had been is used here. So option C. Option C. Done? Okay. Next one. The most useful training of my career was given to me by my boss. Okay. By my boss. So my boss is the subject in our sentence. Okay. Was given. Okay. Was given. Was or were plus V3 is used here. Was or were plus V3 is used. Okay. Then what is the active form of this? V2 is the active form. Okay. So was given must be changed to give, gave, given, right? V2, V3. So give, gave, given. Okay. So they have used given here, which is V3. So you should use V2. Okay. So we should have gave. My boss as the subject and gave as the main verb. Okay, so option D. Option D, guys. Super. Next one. We have decided to open a new branch. We have decided to open a new branch. we have decided. So have been should be used. Okay, has or have been. Okay, this one is right. To be opened a new branch has been. Okay, this one is wrong. To open a new branch. Okay, so option C, guys. Option C, no? Option C. Done? Okay. Option C. Done? Superb. Okay. The loan will be sanctioned by the bank. The loan will be sanctioned. Okay. So if they are saying will be sanctioned, but then the passive voice, active voice should have will plus V1, na? Will plus V1. Okay. That's why we are having will plus B plus V3. Okay. Done. So the bank will sanction the loan. Okay. Option D. Option D. Super. Paint the windows. Paint the windows. Okay. Let the windows be painted. Let the windows. Sorry, B. 27. B, guys. Sorry. Let the windows be painted. I'm telling you something and I'm marking it wrong. Okay. Let the windows be painted. Let the windows be painted. Done. Okay. Next one. The traitors should be shot dead by them. The traitors should be shot. Should be shot. Okay. So should be shot. So should we must have should here and V1 shoot. Okay. Should shoot. Should have shot is wrong. Okay. Shall shoot is wrong. Okay. Should shoot. Okay. So option C. Again option C. 28 option C. Done, guys. Super. Next one. Rahul is teaching the children in the slums. Rahul is teaching the children in the slums. Okay. Is teaching. It must be followed by am, is, are plus being plus V3. Plus being plus V3. Done? Okay. So being is not followed here. So this one is wrong. Being is not used here. Are learning is wrong. Okay. So being is used here. So option D. 29 option D. Good, guys. Super. Okay. One cannot accept children to understand these problems. One cannot accept children to understand these problems. Okay. One cannot expect children. Okay. Children cannot be expected. Okay. Children cannot be expected. Children cannot be expected to understand. Okay. To be understood is wrong. To understand. Children cannot be expected to understand these problems. Option A. 30 option A. Super, Ram Prasad. Okay. Next one. Why did she break the garden wall? Why did she break the garden wall? Okay. Why? So simple past, right? Did break. Simple past. So was or were plus V3. Sorry. So why was the garden wall broken by her? Okay. Option C. Done. Super. Next one. The students were laughing at the old man. Okay. The students were laughing at the old man. The old man was, ing form, so being must be used. The old man was being laughed at. Okay, the old man was being laughed at by the students. Done? Next one. He admonished her for the error. He admonished. Admonish means to punish. Okay. To punish. Okay. He admonished her for the error. Okay. So he admonished her. So this must be changed to she was admonished. Okay. She was admonished. Option A. Option A. Next one. Can we send this big parcel by air? Can we send this big parcel by air? Okay. Can we send this big parcel? Okay. So can since can is used, it must be followed by be. Okay. Can be. Okay. So can this big parcel be sent by air? Option A. Can this? Okay. We cannot use could here. Could is wrong. Could is wrong. Can should be followed by be. Be is not here. So option A is the right answer. Done. Okay. The boys saved many elders from being drowned. The boys saved many elders. Okay. So this must be changed to many elders were saved. Okay. Was or were plus V3. Many elders were saved. R is wrong. R is wrong. Have is also wrong. So option C. Option C. 35 option C. Next one. We found him a good wife. We found him a good wife. Okay. We found him. We found him. Okay. So he was found a good wife by us. We found him. He was found a good wife by us. Next one. You will be taken care of by me. You will be taken care of by me. Okay. So how will you change it? Will be. So it must be will. I will take care of you. I will take care of you. Okay. Option C. Next one. Promises should be kept. Okay. Promises should be kept. They have used should be here. So should must be in the active voice. Okay. So must is wrong. Must is wrong. Nothing is used. This one is also wrong. So option D. He was found a good wife. Okay, circumstances forced him to resign the post. Circumstances forced him to resign in the force. Okay. Forced. Okay. Forced is used, which is in V2 forms, and it must be followed by was or were plus V3. So he was forced to resign the post. He was forced to resign the post. Okay. He would have written this essay in time. He would have written. Sorry. He would have written this essay on time. Okay. How will you change this one? This essay would have been. Okay. This essay would have been written by him in time. Okay. Next one. He completed the story on time. He completed the story on time. Okay. The story was completed. Okay. Completed must be changed into was completed. The story was completed by him on time. Okay. Sheila painted the house green. Okay. Sheila painted, which is in past, so it must be followed by was painted. The house was painted green by Sheila. The house was painted by how was painted. Okay, done guys? Okay. An American scientist has won the Nobel Prize for Physics. Okay. Has won should be followed by has been won. Okay. So the Nobel Physics Prize. This is wrong. The Nobel Prize has been won by. Okay. The Nobel Prize for Physics is won. Okay. This is wrong. So the Nobel Prize for Physics has been won. Okay. So option D is the right answer. Next one. By now the winners will have been felicitated. By now the winners will have been felicitated. Will have been. So it must be changed to will have. Okay. So will. Okay. Will felicitate is wrong. Have felicitated is wrong. Will have been felicitated is wrong. Will have felicitated. Okay. So option D. Option D guys. 43. 43 is D. Option D. Okay. We cannot say. We cannot use option B because for physics is missing. Okay. Nobel Prize for physics they have used here. They have not used here for what? Okay. So that's why we are using D. Option D. Okay, next one. I was sanctioned the loan by the office. I was sanctioned. Okay. So the office sanctioned. The office sanctioned me the loan. Okay. Here they should have used the loan. Okay. They didn't use the. So option C. Option C. Done guys. Next one. Open the window. Open the window. Why are you using B? Okay. See, this is a slight mistake. This is how they'll ask you question. Okay. The loan must be used. Okay. Whatever is in the question, the same should be used in the answer as well. Okay. Open the window. 46. Let the window be opened. Okay, let the window be opened. Option D. Very good guys. Next one. Deforestation has reduced rainfall in the tropical lands. Okay, has reduced. Has been reduced is right. Okay, has been reduced is right. Okay, this one is wrong. Tropical lands have been islands have been reduced. Okay, this one is wrong. Okay. So has been reduced due to deforestation. They totally gave up some of the words in the question. So option C is the correct answer. Option C, guys, super. The doctor bandaged the arm of the injured man. The doctor bandaged the arm. The doctor bandaged the arm. Okay. So the arm of the injured man was bandaged. Was bandaged. Was bandaged. Option A. Done, guys. Next one. Read the question. So the ringing of the alarm startled me. Okay, startled is the main verb here. Startled. Okay, so was startled. I was startled from the. So 49. Yeah, I was startled. Okay, was startled must be the correct. Startled is not here. This one is also wrong. Startled is not used at all. So option B is the right answer. Okay. 50th question, I will take something. Okay. One of the girls in the class will sing the national anthem at the end of the function. One of the girls in the class will sing. Okay. So they are using will sing is the main verb. So will be sung is the should be in the passive voice. Will sing is again. Will be sung is used here. Okay. There is no will at all. There is no will here as well. So option A. Option A is the correct answer. Done, guys. This is the history, right? We have completed 50 questions within half an hour. Wow, guys, super. 50 questions in half an hour. Great. Yeah. History of our session. 2 minutes break, guys. I am here. 2 minutes. No time for potato chips, Ram Prasad. It's not for me, by the way. Okay, someone else asked for it. Okay, guys. So, what shall we see for? Okay. So we know the meaning of phobia, right? What do you mean by phobia? Phobia. What do you mean by phobia? Yeah, Rahul, ask me. See, approximately 30 seconds gap is there, okay? Approximately 30 seconds gap. So, let's catch up, okay? Phobia means fear, okay? So, we have total 150 questions for today. 150. We already completed 50. We have only 100 to go. Tamil la sollam channel. Oh, channel la. Okay. Okay. So, phobia abhina another fear. Nama ellarkum theriyuma. Seri, okay. So those who have already attended my classes could easily answer this question, okay, just to keep others entertained. I am asking it again. Okay, wow, seri. So aquaphobia, hydrophobia. Difference enna solunga pa. Aquaphobia, hydrophobia. What is the difference between aquaphobia, hydrophobia? Okay, before that, I'll tell you the similarity. Aqua means water, hydro also means water. ஆக்வானாலும் வாட்டர் தான், ஹைட்ரோனாலும் வாட்டர் தான். சரியா? என் சேனலில் முன்னாடியே என்னோட கிளாஸஸை முன்னாடியே அட்டன் பண்ணவங்க ஓகேவா, இதை ஆன்சர் பண்ணாதீங்க. கிவ் சான்சஸ் ஃபார் அதர்ஸ். ஓகே, see, don't give me answer in one word. Okay, if you say fear of water, which one is the fear of water? I don't know, right? I've asked a question. Okay, aqua means fear of water bodies. Okay, then hydro means, I'm just asking you to guess, guys. I'm not asking you the exact answer. Okay, you need not browse for it. Okay, just answer. Like what comes to your mind, whatever comes to your mind. பார்த்தாலே டக்குன்னு என்ன தோணுதோ அதை மட்டும் சொன்னா போதும். Okay, so aqua means water, hydro means ocean. Why ocean does not have any water? Hydro, water. Aquaphobia, ocean. Okay, aquatic species, those are called aquatic animals. Aquatic species, okay, fine. Aquatic species, whatever. Okay, Shweta. Okay, anything else? Hydro, fear of water. Hydra. Aquaman, Ramprist, fear of aquaman. Okay, fear of drowning, aquaphobia. Fear of any water, even in bottle, hydrophobia. Okay. Aqua means ocean, hydro means water. Okay. So, according to Ashwin, ocean does not have any water. Water bodies, okay. Heel hydra. Hail hydra, okay. Passive versus form. Okay. Vijay, go on. Is that the question, or okay, you are asking the passive voice? Okay, has made a risky contribution. See, they have used smoke and flames, made a rescue operation. Okay, okay, made isn't make B2, so was made. Smoke and flames. A rescue operation was made difficult by smoke and flames and engulfed the area. Okay. If there is no option given, I will write this down. But if I am in an examination and this question comes, I'll look into the options and only then I'll answer. Okay, so guys, SSC exams have been rescheduled. SSC exams have been rescheduled due to COVID. Hail hydra, that's right. Okay. So CHSL guys, those who are leftover candidates, they'll have your examination between 12 to 16 of 10th month, October. Okay. And 19 to 21 October and 26 as well. Okay, so JEE, they'll have their examination from 27 to 30. CGL Tier 2. Okay, CGL, you just check the notification, guys. CGL Tier 2 will be held on 2nd November to 5th November. CGL Tier 2, 2nd November to 5th November for us. Okay, guys. CGL Tier 2, 2nd November to 6th November. Okay guys, let's see this one. Let's see the difference between hydro and aquaphobia. Okay. Where is it? See, okay. What do you mean by hydro? Okay, I'll ask you totally unrelated question. One question, that is when a dog bites. Okay, when a dog bites, what is the name of the disease that we get? When a dog bites, what is the name of the disease we get? Yes, Bharat Kumar, that's right. 211 to 511. No, guys, we have so many. See, on the error spotting alone, we have 1500 questions. On the error spotting alone, we have 1500 questions, and we completed like how many? 150, 150, not even 150, right? We completed 150, around 300. Only 300 questions has been completed. No end, Jagan. Okay, guys. So rabies is the disease we get when a dog bites. Okay, guys. Rabies is a disease that usually dogs get. Okay, rabies is a disease that the dog gets. Okay, when a rabies diseased dogs bite us, when a rabies diseased dog bites us, what happens is we get a virus from it called rabies virus. Okay, that virus is called rabies virus. Okay, so due to rabies virus, we have a disease that is called hydrophobia. Hydrophobia means fear of water. Okay, even in small bottle, someone told you already. Okay, so hydrophobia means fear of water. பழைய படத்துல எல்லாம் பார்த்திருப்பீங்களா, நாய் கடிச்சிட்டு ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் பண்ணாம போயிட்டாங்க அப்படின்னா என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, ரொம்ப ரிகரஸா தண்ணியை பார்த்தோன்னே ரொம்ப ரிகரஸா ஆக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்களா, அதை தான் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, ஹைட்ரோஃபோபியான்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. சரியா? So when you see aquaphobia is the fear of drowning in water. Okay, aquaphobia is fear of drowning in water. Okay, so இப்போ நம்ம அம்மாலாம் இருக்காங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், அம்மாலாம் இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா இப்போ பீச்சுக்கோ இல்லை ரிவருக்கோ கூட்டிட்டு போனா உள்ளெல்லாம் இறங்க மாட்டாங்க. என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, காலை மட்டும் நினைச்சிட்டு வந்துருவாங்களா. ஸோ ஏன் அப்படி நினைச்சிட்டு வராங்க அப்படின்னா உங்களுக்கு கீழே இறங்கி மூழ்கிடுவோமோன்னு ஒரு பயம் இருக்குமா. கரெக்டா? அதை தான் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, அக்வாஃபோபியான்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகே, டன். Now let's go to the next 50 session. After next 50 questions, we'll talk about something else as well. Okay, done. Let's go. Robin would draw a picture in the competition. Robin would draw a picture in the competition. Robin would draw a picture in the competition. Okay, so would draw is given, so would be drawn is the answer. Would be drawn. Okay, so option D. Next one. Who gave you ice cream? Okay, Wayne, I'm trying bilingual. Who gave you ice cream? By whom were you given ice cream? Option 2. Okay, are you not revising your lessons? Okay, so revising, ing form, so being must be used, being is used here. Okay, so option A and option D are wrong. Okay, are your lessons not being revised by you? Okay, are your lessons is the object here, so it must be the subject. So option B, guys, option B. 53, option B. Next one. We should not encourage indiscipline. Okay, so indiscipline, since we have used should here, should not be is the passive, so should not be encouraged. Indiscipline should not be encouraged by us. Okay, option B. Next one. Our Almighty will bless wise men. Okay, so will bless is the V1 form. Will plus future, simple future, so it must be will be blessed. Okay, will be blessed. Should is wrong, have is wrong, would is also wrong. So option A. Okay, option A. Next one. The army chief punished his subordinate. Okay, so punished is used here, so its passive voice is was or were plus punished. Okay, so was punished is the appropriate one. Is wrong, was being is wrong. Okay, so option C. Option C. Then guys, next question. One must keep one's promises. One must keep one's promises. Okay, so must is used, must be is the most appropriate. So promises must be kept. Promises must be kept. Okay guys, next one. They have cut all the telephone wires. They have cut all the telephone wires. Okay, they have cut all the telephone wires. So have cut is the main verb here. So has or have been cut. Okay. So had is wrong, will is wrong, shall is wrong. So have been cut is the right. Okay. Option C is the right answer. Next question. I shall write a letter. I shall write a letter. Shall write. So shall be written. Okay. So we can use shall by will. So will be written is the appropriate one. Option B. Option B guys. Superb. Okay. Next one. Will Motin be helped by us? Will Motin be helped by us? Okay. Will be is used here. So will help is the passive form. Okay. So this is the passive. Active form will be right. Sorry. Will help. Okay. Will Motin help us? Okay. Be helped by us. So we must be the subject. So shall Motin be helped? Shall we help the Motin? Okay. Shall we help Motin? Okay. We is the object here, so it must be the subject. Shall we help Motin? Okay. 16. Very good guys. Next one. A letter has been written by me. A letter has been written by me. So has been must be followed by has or have plus V3. Has or have plus V3. Okay. So a letter. Sorry. I have or had is wrong. I has we never use. So I have. Been we cannot use because been is used here. So I have written a letter. Option B. Done guys? Okay. Next one. I cannot draw this picture. I cannot draw this picture. Okay. So this picture cannot be drawn. I cannot is cannot be drawn. Okay. Cannot be drawn. This picture cannot be drawn by me. Option A. Good. Good. Next one. The men had constructed the bridge. The men had constructed. So had been constructed is the appropriate one. Option D. Done. Next one. Do not inform the police about the robbery. Do not inform the police. Do not inform the police. Okay. Let the police be not informed. Okay. This one is wrong. Okay. Let not the police be informed about the robbery. Let not the police be informed about the robbery. Okay. Option B. Next one. They have spotted me in the crowd. They have spotted me in the crowd. They have spotted me in the crowd. Okay. So they have spotted me. So I have been spotted. I have been spotted by them in the crowd. Done guys? Okay. Next one. He made us work. He made us work. Okay. He made us. So we were made to work. We were made to work by him. Next one. Leo Tolstoy wrote War and Peace. Okay, wrote is in V2. So was or were plus written. Okay. So War and Peace was written. Was being written is wrong. Is wrong. Will be written is also wrong. Okay. Next one. Rita rescued 3 puppies. So 3 puppies rescued. So were rescued. 3 puppies were rescued by Rita. R is wrong. Will is wrong. R is again wrong. Okay. Next one. Will he have written a book? Sorry, written a letter. Will he have written a letter? Have written. So have been written. Okay. So have is here. So wrong. Here be written is wrong. To be written is wrong. So have been written is used in option D. Option D is the right answer. Done. Okay. Next one. The doctor advised me to give up sweets. The doctor advised me to give. The doctor advised me. So I was advised. I was advised by the doctor to give up sweets. Okay. Option C. Option C. Done. Next one. They will laugh at you. They will laugh at you. Okay. So will laugh, will be laughed. So you will be laughed. You will be laughed at by them. You will be laughed at by them. Okay. Next one. The trespassers shall be prosecuted. Shall be prosecuted. Okay. So it must be shall prosecute. Okay. The authorities shall prosecute the trespassers. The authorities shall prosecute trespassers. Done. Next one. The waiter filled the glasses with water. The waiter filled the glasses. The glasses were filled. The glasses were filled with water. Okay. The glasses were filled with water by the waiter. Okay. She took the dog for a walk. She took the dog for a walk. Okay. Took V2. So was or were plus V3. So was taken. The dog was taken for a walk. Walk by the sorry. The dog was taken. The dog was taken for a walk by her. Okay. Next. He was driving the car so fast that it skidded on the snowy road. Okay. So he was driving the car. He was driving the car. So the car was or were plus being plus V3, right? ING. So being must be used. Okay. Has been is wrong. Was driven is wrong. Being is used here. So option C. Done. Very good. Next one. I don't like people telling me what to do. I don't like people telling me what to do. Okay. I don't like people. So I don't like it when people are done. This one is wrong. So what is the most appropriate one? I don't like being told what to do. I don't like being told what to do. Telling ing form, so being told. Okay, being told. Done. Next one. Aditya saw Dinesh shopping at the mall. Aditya saw Dinesh. So Dinesh was seen. Dinesh was seen. That's all. Aditya saw Dinesh. So Dinesh was seen. Done. Option B. Okay. Next one. He wasn't given the information he needed. He wasn't given the information he needed. Okay. They didn't give him. Okay. He wasn't given. So this is in passive form, that is was or were plus V3 is used here. Okay. So simple past, V2 must be used. Okay. So did not give is in simple past. So option D. Option D. $76. Someone has doubt in 76. Okay. Sorry guys. Why not option D for 76? I don't like people when they tell me what to do. See, telling is the verb here. Telling is the main verb. People who are experiencing lack, please individual. For 76 guys, I'm telling you. So telling, I don't like people telling me. I don't like people telling me what to do. People telling me. Okay, people. So this is the whole part of the subject. This is the verb and this is the object. So I. Okay. So telling is the main verb. Telling is in ing form. Correct. Telling is in ing form. That is am, is, are plus ing. So it must be changed to am, is, are plus being plus V3. Being plus V3. Okay, so being told is used only in option B. So that's why we are saying option B. Done. 78D. Okay, guys. Yeah. We'll slow down. Okay, we'll slow down. See, when they say prepare for the worst, okay, when they used prepare for the worst, we said be prepared, okay, be prepared, right? Even that be is not as the main verb, but still we used be prepared, okay. This is the same form. See, I'll tell you one thing. There is no definite principle or rule that is they use in English, okay. We cannot say that this is the direct formula. In maths and all we have a plus b the whole square is always a square plus b square plus 2ab. There's no exceptional case in that, okay. But what the problem is in English, what they do is there is no definite structure for English, okay. So each and everything could be used in a different way in a different context, okay, in a different way in a different context. So how will you learn this is you will learn only these contexts only if you could keep reading, okay. Not only with the help of reading you could cope with them, okay. Like what are they trying to say, how could they change the sentence in a total way? They are not supposed to change it, okay. These are the things that we think, okay. So there is no definite, I am telling you again and again, there is no definite structure for English, okay. They will use it in a different way, in a different context. So to understand the context, what you have to do is, you have to keep reading, okay. Doesn't matter what you are reading, but read it in English. Don't like is already used as don't like, okay. There is no change in don't like. This is a part of a subject. Telling me, this is the object. Yes, Ashwati, it could help a lot. I'm this good, not the best, okay, I know, but I'm better, okay. I'm this better in English due to novels, okay. I hate reading newspapers. I don't know why. I hate on seeing newspapers I feel sleepy. I don't even have to read it. That's my concept. That's how I am at least better in English. Okay, so the pace is good. Done. No, Ashwati, Hindu newspaper is not a must to improve English. That is not the fact. Reading is good, okay, but Hindu is not the must, okay. You can read it anywhere, like you can read your comic books, you can read Tinkle, you can read Panchatantra tales, you can read any sports magazines, okay, or cookery things, okay. So you can read whatever, doesn't matter what you're reading, but it should be in English. That's the only condition, okay. Reading will help you help you with like reading is the basic fundamental thing of English. If you start to read, like if you have come across an exceptional case again and again, over and over, okay, what will happen is you will understand it. It will be stored in your brain on its own. You don't have to by heart everything. Okay, Rahul, good. Okay, let's continue. English shows are also good. Done, Shweta. You can watch it. Okay, let's continue. Aditya saw Dinesh, we seen this. Okay, this is also done. Bipin was not told about the meeting. Bipin was not told about the meeting. Okay, how will you write this one? Bipin was not told. Okay, was told. So it must be changed to simple V2, right? So nobody told Bipin. Okay, did not tell is wrong. Somebody did not tell. Okay, this sentence doesn't make any sense. There was nobody who could is wrong. Okay, the meeting was not told. Was not told is again the same. Okay, so nobody Nobody told Bipin about the meeting. Option C. Done. Next one. Have you been shown what to do? Have you been shown what to do? So have plus been. So have must be used. So have. Okay. Anybody is singular. Okay. Anybody, somebody, nobody, no one, anyone, someone, anything. Okay. These are always considered singular. Okay. So anybody should not be used with plural. That is have. Okay. So has anybody. That is the right form. Option D. Done. Next one. They proposed to hold the meeting. They proposed to hold the meeting. Okay. It was proposed by him. It was proposed. Okay. Proposed should be followed by what proposed. Okay. It was proposed to hold a meeting. It was proposed means some non-living thing. Okay. Doesn't make any sense. It was proposed to hold a meeting. Doesn't make a sense. It doesn't make a sense. So by them is the appropriate one. Option B. Okay. Option B. Next one. Her manners pleased us very much. Her manners pleased us very much. Okay. So her manner pleased us. Pleased is in V2. So it must be changed to was or were plus V3. So we were pleased. We were very much pleased. Okay. We were okay. Very much pleased. Okay. On her manners is wrong. Pleased with her manners. Okay. Pleased with her manners. Option D. 82. Option D. Okay. Next one. The driver was blowing the horn. The driver was blowing. So blowing ing form. So being must be used. Being is used here. Being is used here. Okay. So was past. Here they have used present. So there is wrong. So option B. Okay. Next one. I shall post these letters tomorrow. I shall post these letters tomorrow. Okay. So I shall post these letters. Okay. So these letters shall post. Sorry. I shall post these letters tomorrow. Okay. These letters shall be posted. Shall be or will be posted tomorrow. Okay, option B. Next one. A massive search operation has been launched to nab the suspects. A massive search operation. A massive search operation has been launched to nab the suspect. Okay. So the police has been used here. So has launched. Okay. The police. Okay. We use have with police. So the police have launched a massive search operation. Okay. Have launched. Option B. Okay. Next one. A fresh batch of eggs was collected by the farmers. Okay, farmer's wife. This one is apostrophe. Farmer's wife. So farmer's wife the object. So it must be the subject. The farmer's wife's. Okay, was collected. So it must be was collected. It must be simple past. Collected. Okay, V2. Just V2. Option D. Next one. I shall have written the letter. I shall have written the letter. Okay, have written. So it must be changed to shall have written. Shall have been written. Okay. So will have been written. Okay. Option B. Option B. Okay. It is not necessary that shall must be changed to will or will must be changed to shall. Okay. We can use will or shall as it is. The sentence will be right. Even if you change it, the sentence will also be right. Okay. Will write then also. Okay. Next one. Then her face was bowed. Then her face was bowed. Okay. Then she bowed her face. Okay. Was bowed is the verb here. It must be changed to V2. Bowed. Has been bowed is wrong. Being is wrong. Was bowed is wrong. So option A. Done. Option A. Next one. The walls had not been decorated by us. Had not been. So had decorated. We had not decorated. We had not decorated. Okay. We have is wrong. We have is wrong. Had not been is wrong. Okay. So option B. Option B. Next one. We must endure what we cannot cure. We must endure what we cannot cure. Okay. We must endure. We must endure. Okay. What cannot be cured must okay. What cannot be cured must be endured. Okay. So must is used here. Must be the your answer. Okay. What could be cured? Okay. We cannot say could be cured because could not cure is here. So option D is right. So must be what we cure must be endured. Okay. This one is wrong. Cannot is used here, so it is not. Cannot is not used here. So option D is the right one. Option D. Okay. 90. Option D. Next one. Did everybody miss the first bus? Did everybody miss the first bus? So this is in simple past V2. So must be changed to was or were plus V3. Okay. So was the first bus missed by everyone? Was the first bus missed by everyone? Option B. Okay. Next one. We will not allow them to run away. We will not allow them to run away. Okay. We will not allow them. We will not allow. Okay. So will not be allowed. Will not be allowed. Will not be allowed is used here. Would is used here wrong. Are is wrong. Where is wrong. So option A. Option A. Done. Next one. Everyone must read this book. Everyone must read this book. Okay. Must read. So must be read. Must be read. Must be read. So option D. Is wrong. Has is wrong. Should is wrong. Done. Next one. He knew that his own life was unjust. He knew that his own life was unjust. He knew. Okay. So it was known. It was known. It was known. Okay. Remember, guys. Always we do not whenever we use subject. What do we say? We use by na. By him. By her. Okay. By her. By them. Okay. This is the usual form we use, right? But when with no, okay, when we use no, okay, with no we do not use by. By is wrong preposition to be used with no, okay. We cannot use by. It must be used to, okay. It was known to him, not by him. It was known to him that his own life was unjust, okay. Had been unjust is wrong, okay. Option C is the right answer. Option C. By is wrong, guys. It must be to, okay. Known to him. Even for married, okay. We cannot say Sita is married by Ram. We cannot say Sita is married by Ram. We say Sita is married to Ram, right? Preposition is wrong. Try to give consideration of the preposition. It is very important, okay. Preposition is very important topic. Gokul, I'm not sure. I'll ask and let you know by tomorrow. The student has learned the answer by heart. Okay, has learnt. So has been learnt. Okay, the answer has or have been. Okay, has been learnt. Option D. Then next one. The old lady touched and patted the cow. The old lady touched. Okay, so V2 was or were plus V3. So the cow was touched and patted. The old lady was. The cow was touched and patted by the old lady. Option C. Okay. Married to is right. Married with is wrong. Married to. This watch was given to me by my grandfather. So my grandfather gave me this watch. My grandmother gave me this watch. Done. Next one. By whom is the child being fed? By being fed. So ing form. So feeding. Okay. Who is feeding the child? Who was feeding the child? Now is used here. So present. Not was is wrong. Okay. Has been is also wrong. Option A. Option A is the right answer. Okay. Next one. Alexander expected to conquer the world. Alexander expected to conquer the world. Okay. Expected. So was or were plus V3. Okay. It was expected by Alexander that he would, not should, not will. It had been is wrong. So option B. Option B. Okay. Next one. She begins her day with a cup of tea. She begins her day. Okay. She begins her day. Okay. Her day is begun. Is begun. Okay. V1, V2, V3. V1, V2, V3. Begin. Sorry. Begin. Began. Begun. Okay. So V1, V2, V3. Here the begins is in V1 form. V1. It must be changed to am, is, are plus V3. Sorry. R plus V3. Am is R plus V3. So begin must be used. Okay. Her day is begun with a cup of tea. Done. Okay. We did 100th question. Let's take a break for some time. Okay. So we know phobia means fear, right? Phobia means fear. Okay. So I'll give you some phobias. Could you guess the answer? Let's see who can guess the answer. Okay. When I say cynophobia, what do you mean by cynophobia? Cyno, C-Y-N-O, cynophobia. Cyanide, fear of cyanide, okay. Cyanide spelling, is it wrong? Question number 99. Alexander expected to conquer the world. Okay, Alexander expected. It was expected by Alexander. Done. Okay, he would conquer the world. This is the general format for when a subject plus expected. Okay, the expected as a main verb and then the object. If the sentence comes like this, the next part of the object will have would. Wood is used. Okay. Okay, so engineering English, you want me to teach that one? Yeah, that's right, sir. Initiative Karthik. Okay. Yeah. Cynophobia means fear of dogs. Very good, guys. Fear of dogs. Okay. So they would have put up a sign in some of the houses, right? They would have put up a sign saying "Beware of dogs." Beware of dogs, na? Okay. So sign means you can remember that sign. Sign. Okay. Sign. This sign you can remember. Okay. Remember this one. Cynophobia means the ஒன்று ஆபாசஞ்சு ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. இல்லை அப்படின்னா அந்த வீட்டுக்கு வெளியில ஒரு போர்டு போட்டிருப்பாங்களா, சைன் போட்டிருப்பாங்க, என்னன்னா பிவேர் ஆஃப் டாக்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சைன் போட்டிருப்பாங்களா. ஸோ அதை பார்த்து ஈஸியாக ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கலாம். டன். சைனோஃபோபியானா அதை வச்சு ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கலாம். டன். ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். பைரோஃபோபியா. Pyrophobia. This pyro is a root word. Fire, guys. Very good. Super. Okay. So pyro means fire. Okay. Pyrophobia means fear of fire. Very good. Super. Okay. Now this one. Ailurophobia. Ailurophobia. No idea. Anyone else? Fear of attraction. Okay. Anything else? Fear of effectivity. See, we have fear of love. See, I told you, root word for love is file, right? File. So when I say philophobia, I think so. When I say philophobia, it means fear of love. Fear of love. Phil is love, phobia is fear, so fear of love. Okay? Very good. So Sonam, superb. So ailurophobia means fear of cats. Fear of cats, okay? Ailuro, eli ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Cat என்ன பண்ணும்? எலியை பிடிக்குமா? கரெக்ட்டா? So ailurophobia means fear of cats. Okay? We have one more thing. Magirocophobia. Good for you, Wayne. No, it is not a root word, Kashi. It is not a root word. Ailuro is not a root word. Fear of fast food. Fear of Maggie. Fear of Maggie. Everyone is SSC CGL aspirants, guys. Tamil gamer. Okay. So magirocophobia is fear of. Shall I say it? Shall I? Okay. Yes, very good. Fear of cooking. Fear of cooking. Okay. Fear of cooking. Okay. So when someone who has no idea about who cannot differentiate between sugar and salt, when that person is about to cook, what will he say? Better don't cook. Let's just make Maggi. No, we'll say just make Maggi. That's enough. Okay. So fear of cooking, fear of seeing someone cook, you just prefer Maggi. You can remember it that way. Yeah, someone googled it. They always do anyway. Okay. Next one, onomatophobia. Onomatophobia. Fill is love, phobia is fear. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Development and language. Correct only. See, ornithophobia would be birds. Ornith means bird. Okay. Ornith means bird. Onomatophobia. Fear of automobiles. Onam. Fear of not having Onam. Okay, Ashwati. Anything else? Ornaments. Okay. Anything else? Okay. It's my humble request, guys. Don't Google it. Try to just guess whatever comes to your mind. Gets. Fear of animals. Okay. Onomatophobia. Onomatophobia. Fear of words. Okay. Anything else? It means fear of names. Names. Yes, Johnny Bravo. Super. Okay. Fear of names. Okay, guys. Okay. So last one. This you would have heard about it already. Great to know engineering English. Fear of not celebrating anything is real. Okay. So this word ends with phobia. This word ends with phobia. So it must be definitely fear of something. This must be definitely fear of something. Okay. So how will you pronounce this word? How will you pronounce? Like I cannot ask you, and even you guys cannot pronounce it. Okay. So I'll teach you first how to pronounce this word. I'll teach you. Okay. Hippo. You can repeat in your home. Okay. Hippo, poto. Okay. Hippo, poto. Monstrosus. Hippo, poto, monstrosus. Cupid, aliophobia. Okay. I'll tell you again. Yeah, this is a real word. They have asked in SSC examination like 3 to 4 times. They have asked what is the synonym and antonym of this word. Synonym or antonym of this word. It has been asked in your SSC examinations. Okay. Okay. So hippo, poto, monstrosus, Cupid, aliophobia. Okay, you can repeat it with me. Hippo, poto, monstrosus, Cupid, aliophobia. Okay, some of you have already answered. This is what we call fear of long words. Fear of long words. Ayani, right? Okay, this is what we call ayani. Okay. So when you see a long word, you get some uncomfortable feeling, like you are scared of that word. Okay, that is what we call hippopotamonstrances cupidaliophobia. Okay, hippopotamonstrances cupidaliophobia. Fear of hippopotamus nose. Okay, why especially nose? Yeah, Bharat Kumar, that's the ayani. Okay, so shall we go to the next 50 questions? Ayani means okay guys, let's go to the next 50 questions. Okay, with the same face. Okay, with the same face. Okay, cocoa is better when it is tasted. Okay, cocoa is better when it is tasted. I told you this is the cocoa tastes better. Okay, this is the general format. Okay, this is a unique sentence. This is how it must be written. There is no specific rule like why and why not. This has to do nothing about hippopotamus. Okay, next one. A great man acknowledged me as a flatterer. A great man acknowledged me as a flatterer to him. Okay. A great man acknowledged me. So I was acknowledged. I am is wrong. So this one is wrong. I was acknowledged as a flatterer. I was acknowledged as a flatterer is wrong. I was by a great man to be a flatterer. To have been is wrong. To be a flatterer. Option A. Option A, guys. Next question. Let us help him. Let us help him. Let us help him. Let him be helped by us. Let him be helped by us. Okay. Next one. Can those happy moments be ever forgotten by me? Can those happy moments be ever okay? Can is used, so can be must be in your answer. So can is used here. Can I be? Okay, can be is used here. So can must be in your question. So option B. Done. Next one. You have to do this immediately. You have to do this immediately. Okay. This has to be done. This has to be done by you. Okay. You have to do this immediately. This has to be done by you immediately. Has to be done. Okay. Next. The laborers were digging a canal. The laborers were digging. Okay. So was or were plus being plus dung. Okay. Was being dug. Was being dug. Okay. Option C. Next. The watchman switched on the lights before it began to grow dark. So the watchman switched on the lights. Okay. So the lights was or were plus switched on. Okay. The lights were switched on. The lights were switched on. Option D. Option D. Okay. Next one. Where do you keep the current magazines? Where do you keep the current magazines? Okay. Simple. So where current magazines is the sub object. So it must be the subject. So where are the current magazines kept by you? Being kept. We cannot use being because ing is not here. So where are the current magazines kept by you? Okay. V2. Was or were plus V3 must be used. Done. Next one. She will be rewarded. She will be rewarded for her kind need. Okay. Will be rewarded. Okay. It must be changed to will reward. Okay. Her kind deed will reward her. Will reward her. Okay. Done. Next one. God gives us happiness. God gives us happiness. Okay. God gives us happiness. Okay. Happiness is given. Happiness is given by God. Option A. Happiness is being given is not right. Okay, there is no ing form in your question. Has been is wrong. Will is also wrong. So first one, option A. Okay, next one. The gardener ought to water the plants daily. The gardener ought to water the plants. Okay. The gardener ought to water the plants daily. Okay. The plants ought to be. Okay. Ought to is used as ought to be. The plants ought to be watered daily by the gardener. Okay. Next one. Who wrote it? By whom? By whom was it written? Who wrote it? By whom was it written? Okay. Will is wrong. Might is wrong. Would is also wrong. Okay. Then option B. Next one. The principal will announce the results. The principal will announce the results. The results will be announced. Will be announced. Okay. Option D. Next one. Some people were helping the wounded man. Some people were helping the wounded. Okay. Were helping ing form. So being is used. Okay. Is this wrong? Was must be there. Okay. Helped. Okay. This is wrong. This is wrong. So option B. Again, the wounded man was being helped by some people. Okay. Next one. The servant will execute all orders promptly. The servant will execute all orders. All orders will be executed. Okay. Will be executed. Option D. Okay. Next. I was obliged to go. Was obliged should be changed to obliged. Okay. Obliged. So V2 must be changed to was or were plus V3. Was or were plus V3. Okay. Here we have was plus V3. Here we have was plus V3. No, was plus V3. So it must be changed to V2. Okay. Obliges is wrong. Oblige is wrong. So option D. Option D. Okay. Next one. They established this club in 2000. They established this club. This club was established. Okay. So option B. Option B. Done. Next one. For a long time, people believed that the earth to be flat. Okay. People believed the earth. Okay. The earth was believed. The earth was believed. The earth was believed. Had is wrong. Being is wrong. Is believed is wrong. Okay. No, is believed is right. Believed. No. Is believed is wrong. Okay. Past tense V2. So was or were plus V3. So option A. Option A. Okay. Next one. The boy did not break the glass. The glass was not broken. Was not broken. This is simple past. So was or were plus V3. Was not broken. Okay. Next one. They fund schools for girls. They fund schools for girls. Okay. Schools for girls was funded. Was funded by them. Option A. Option A. Then next one. The lady of the house was furnishing the mansion. The lady of the house was furnishing the mansion. So the mansion was being furnished. The mansion was being furnished by the lady of the house. Okay. Next one. The convict was found guilty by the judge. Okay. The convict was found guilty. Okay. The jury found the convict guilty. The jury found the convict guilty. Option C. Okay. Next one. I have lost my book. Okay. My book has been lost. Has been lost. My book has been lost. Okay. Option C. Next one. Open the door. Okay. Let the door be opened. Let the door be opened. Option D. Option D. Okay. My father has promised me a bicycle. My father has promised me. So I have been promised. I have been promised a bicycle. I have been promised a bicycle by my father. Option D. Okay. Next one. Okay. Let's take a break from this one. Okay. Since we have got another 1.5 hours more, let's take a break. Okay, one more question. 120 done. 120 one more time. They fund schools for girls. Okay. Ashwati, I am going 120. Okay. They fund schools for girls. Okay. So schools for girls. Fund is in V1, right? So I'm sorry guys. Fund is in V1, right? Sorry. Fund is in V1. Okay. I'm sorry. Fund is in V1. So The school for girls are funded. Option C. Option C. Sorry. In a hurry. This was genuinely my mistake. Okay, genuine mistake, but still my mistake. Okay, so fund is in V1. So AM is R plus V3. So funded, R funded. Option C. Okay. Any other question? One 126 we have to see. Funded. Root word, okay. Done, guys? Fear of exams are called examinophobia. Positive and negative, as in active passive. See, when they in a subject, when they use like nobody, no one, okay, those are negative. None, those are negative. In those places, you need not use not as well. Okay, you need not use not. Okay, but if they have not used nobody, but they have used somebody, then not is used. Okay, that is one thing. Okay, guys, let's finish. I thought of seeing a root word right now. Okay, we'll see that at the end. Okay. 26. Okay, shall I start 26? Okay. My mother bakes cakes. Okay. My mother bakes cakes. So cakes are baked. Cakes are baked by my mother. Option D. Next one. My father will write a letter. A letter will be written. A letter will be written. Okay. Option A. A letter will be written. Next one. My brilliant niece is speaking Italian. Okay, Italian is speaking. Italian is spoken by my brilliant niece. Okay, Italian is spoken by my Italian niece. Okay, she is putting in many hours of work. Okay, many hours of work is putting in. Okay, many hours of work is being put by her. Is being put by her. Option B. 129. Okay, sorry. Is this wrong? Is this wrong? Are being put. Okay, are being put. Because if I say work is singular. But when I say many hours of work, then are being put is the most appropriate. Is this wrong? Are being put. Okay. Next one. Everyone praises good men. Good men are praised. Okay. Are being given is wrong. Okay. Everyone gave praises is wrong. Everyone are given praises is wrong. Good men are praised by everyone. Option B. Okay. Next one. 128 wrong. My brilliant niece is speaking Italian. Okay. Sorry. Is speaking. So being plus ing is spoken. Being spoken. Done. Okay. Children make a noise. A noise was made by the children. A noise was made by the children. Okay, noise is made by the children. Noise is made by the children. See, this one is in simple present V2. So was is wrong, was is wrong. We cannot use being because ing is not here. So option B, not C, option B. Next one. She taunted her husband with the memory of his early promise. She taunted her husband. So her husband was taunted. Her husband was taunted by her. So the husband is wrong. Her husband was taunted by her. Okay. So option C. Next one. Johnny Bravo, sometimes we cannot get the exact appropriate answer. So we have to choose the most appropriate one. A noise is missing, I know. So choose the most appropriate one. Okay. So he impresses his boss with his performance. So he impresses his boss. So his boss is impressed with his performance or at his performance or in his performance. Which one is right? At his performance. Okay. Impressed at, not impressed by, not impressed in. Impressed at his performance. Okay. Next one. How was it managed by you? How was it managed by you? Okay. How did you manage it? How did you manage it? Option C. Next one. I was astonished at his behavior. I was astonished at his behavior. Okay. So his behavior astonished me. Okay. His behavior astonished me. Option B. Okay. No, at his performance. Okay. Impressed at is the correct preposition. Impressed by is wrong. Impressed at is the correct preposition. Okay. All his friends laughed at him. Okay. So he was laughed at. He was laughed at by all his friends. Option A. Okay. Next one. Every disaster affected victim has been compensated by the government. Has been compensated. Okay. So it must be has or have plus V3. Okay. So has compensated. Had is wrong. Has been is wrong. Have been is wrong. Compensating. Have been compensating is wrong. Okay. Have been compensating is wrong. So has compensated. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. Next one. Indiscipline should not be encouraged. Indiscipline should not be encouraged. Okay. We should not be is here. So should not. We should not encourage indiscipline. Okay. This house is used very rarely by us. Okay. This house is used very rarely by us. So we use this house very rarely. We use this house very rarely. Option B. Okay. Next one. The box can contain no more. The box can contain no more. Okay. Can is used. So can be must be here. Can be contained. Okay. Could is wrong. There is no be here. So this is wrong. Can be contained. Okay. No more can be contained in the box. Okay. If I say nothing, it means it cannot hold on nothing. Okay. But they are saying no more. मतलब இன்னும் நிறைய அதில் போட முடியாதுன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. எதுவுமே போட முடியாதுன்னு சொல்ல, இதுக்கு மேலே போட முடியாதுன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ நோ மோர் would be the most appropriate. Okay. Next one. They held a meeting and delivered the speeches. They held a meeting. Okay. So a meeting was held. They held a meeting. They held a meeting. So a meeting was held. A meeting was held. Okay. Next one. It is time for food to be eaten. It is time for food to be eaten. It's time to eat our food. It's time to eat our food. Next one. The teacher may punish you. The teacher may punish you. So may punish. So may be punished is your answer. May be punished. Option D. Okay. Next one. No one likes him. Okay, no one likes him, so he is liked by none. He is not liked by anyone. Okay, he is not liked by anyone. 144 option D. Okay, why not option A? He is liked by none. You cannot use was, guys. Was is wrong. See, they have given that the option is fourth option, option D. Okay, they have given that the correct answer is he is not liked by anyone. When I see he is liked by none is also right. He is liked by no one. Okay, he is liked by no one. If they have used no one here, the sentence would have been right. None is wrong. He is liked by no one could be more appropriate. Okay, no one is wrong. No one, they did not replace no one. So okay, 42. It is time for food to be eaten. Okay, to be eaten. To be eaten is given. So to eat is the most appropriate. It's time to eat. It's time to eat our food. Okay, to eat must be used here. So that's why we are using option A. Yeah, no one may be correct. Yeah, I know Bharat, but most appropriate would be no one. This is also right, this is also right. But this is 80% correct and this one is 100% correct. That's the difference. That's how you write in your SSC examination. That's how they'll ask you question. Yeah, Shweta, I know. It's time to eat our food. Okay, they have used food here. They have used food here, so that's why we are using our food. 143. The teacher may punish you. Okay, the teacher may punish you. Okay, so may be punished could be your passive voice. May be punished. Okay, may be punished. So you may be punished by the teacher. We need 100%. There's no difference between no one and none. In some places we use none, in some places we use no one. See, you see, no one can understand me. No one can understand me. No one can understand me. Okay. So in this sentence, you do not, even though if you replace no one by none, the sentence could be correct, but you will not say none can understand me. You say no one can understand me. Yes or no? Next one. You are requested to keep the book on the table. You are requested. Okay, you are requested. Matlab you requested. Okay, you requested must be your verb. Okay, you should keep. Okay, you are requested. Our requested means please must be used. Okay, please must be used to keep the book. Please keep the book on the table. Please keep the book. Okay, keep the book. So present tense must be used. Option D. Option D. Please kept the book is wrong. Please keep the book. See, kept is used here. Kept is wrong. Okay. Next. He was being chased by the dogs. Being chased, so ing. Okay. The dogs are chasing him. No. Was, so past. So this is wrong. The dogs were chasing him. The dogs were chasing him. Okay. Next one. She wrote a letter. She wrote a letter. So a letter was written by her. A letter was written by her. Option C. Okay. Next one. My mother must not be disturbed. My mother must not be disturbed. Okay. My mother must. You must not. Okay. You cannot use be here. Have is wrong. Should not is wrong. So option E. You must not disturb my mother. You mustn't disturb my mother. Next one. His lordship soon found him to be unfit for the service. His lordship soon found me to be unfit for the service. Okay, so I was soon found. Okay, so found is in V2 form. So was or were plus V3. So I was soon found by his lordship to be unfit. Okay, I was soon found. Found out is wrong. Okay, found. So option B. Option B. Okay, next one. They have not been submitting their classwork regularly. They have not been submitting their classwork regularly. So ing form, so being must be followed. Okay, being must be followed. Here also we are having being. Here being is not used, being not used. Okay, the classwork are not being submitted. The classwork is not being submitted regularly by them. Okay, option D is the right answer. Option D. Have not been submitted. Have not been submitting their classwork. Okay, guys, this question is wrong. See, when we use has or have plus being plus ing, this one is in a perfect continuous, right? Perfect continuous. Okay, we do not have any possessive form for perfect continuous. We do not have any form for perfect continuous. So this question is wrong. Okay, this question is wrong. Wrong question. Yeah, we can use it that way, but since we are having perfect continuous has no, yeah, it's extra 2 mark for all. Okay, guys, super class super kuch. Okay, so shall we see one root word? Just one. Okay, so do you guys know this side? Government sometimes used singular, sometimes used as plural, depend upon the context of that sentence. So side means to cut or to kill. If you are saying active passive, we'll go for 300 questions. Next class, I don't know. You check up the channel. You check the channel. Shall we see side or shall we see some other thing? Side or something else? Okay, so let's see side itself. You are taking too long. Okay. What do you mean by suicide? All of us know? Yeah. First of all, side means to cut or to kill. Okay, to cut or to kill. Okay, side means to cut or to kill. So suicide means killing oneself. Killing oneself. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we know all this one. So everyone knows suicide. Okay. Next one. Regicide. What do you mean by regicide? What do you mean by regicide? Okay guys, chit chats apart. Don't do your chit chats here. Okay. Shweta, very good. Okay. So regicide is killing a king or a queen. Okay. Killing of a king or a queen. Okay. You can remember it as if when there is a region. Okay. When there is a region, surely someone will be there to rule it, right? So surely someone will be there to rule it. So to killing the ruler is what we call regicide. That is to kill a king or a queen. Okay. Next one. Suicide, regicide, genocide. What do you mean by genocide? Yeah, you can remember it that way as well, Engineer Vignesh. Genocide. What do you mean by genocide? Genocide is killing a race of people. Okay. Everyone know the movie Citizen, right? Citizen movie by Ajit. Yeah, today also I saw that movie in Sun TV. Today morning I saw. Okay. So in that movie, Attipattu whole village will be done. Okay. So that is what we call genocide. Genocide means killing a race of people. Killing a race of people. Okay. Killing a race of people. Okay, genocide and then regicide. So we know infanticide, right? Infanticide. Killing of insects. Infant. Insecticide, killing of insects. Pesticide, killing of pests. So we all know that. Okay, let's go to the next one. Fratricide. 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 So here we have another root word, just like side is a root word to kill or to cut. Okay, just like that. Frat is also a root word. Frat is also root word. Very good, brother. Okay, we have now when we talk about India, we say like unity, equality, sovereignty, fraternity. Okay, that frat and this frat are same. Frat means brother. Okay, so killing one's brother. Killing one's brother, not spouse, guys. Brother. Killing one's brother is called fratricide. Okay. Sororicide. Sororicide, just like frat, sorori is also a root word. Sorori is also a root word. Sorori is a root word for sister. Sorori is a root word for sister. So killing one sister is what we call sororicide. Okay? Sororicide. Okay. Next one, uxoricide. Uxoricide. Next one, uxoricide. Uxoricide means killing one's wife. Killing one's wife. Okay. Now we have mariticide. Mariticide means killing one's husband. Killing one's husband. Okay. So what do you mean by crone? Crone. Chron is a root word which means time. Okay, chron is a root word which means time. Okay, so what do you mean by chronic? Chronic. They say now malaria is a chronic disease. Malaria is a chronic disease. Okay, what do you mean by chronic? What do you mean by chronic? They say malaria is a chronic disease. So what do you mean by chronic? Not seasonal. Anything else? Chronic illness. Okay, very good, James. Prolonged. Okay, lasting for a longer time. Okay, lasting for a longer time. Malaria lasts for a longer time, not a usual fever type. Okay, not seasonal. Okay, it is not seasonal. It is not usual. Like usual fever will last for about maximum 1 week. Okay, but malaria will last for a longer time. Okay, prevailing since a longer time. Very good. Okay, chronic is lasting for a longer time. Okay, next one, chronicles. What do you mean by chronicle? We watched now the Chronicles of Narnia. Everyone have watched. Okay, everyone has watched. Okay, so now tell me, what do you mean by chronicle? Chronicle means systematic arrangement of time period. Chronicle means systematic arrangement of time period. Systematic arrangement of time period. See, when they visit Chronicle of Narnia, here when they come back to their life, no time is elapsed, right? Okay. So chronicle means systematic arrangement of time period. Okay. Next one, chronological. Chronological. What do you mean by chronological? They say now they'll give some historical events and they'll ask you to arrange these in chronological order. Yeah. Not alphabetical order, historical, like year wise. Okay, arranging past events according to time. Arranging past events according to time. Okay, then what else? Chronograph. Chronograph. Very good SSA aspirant. Chron is time, graph is right. Okay. So what do you mean by chronograph? Very good, Engineer Vignesh. That is have a record of past event or record of past event. Graph means right. Graph is a root word for right. Chron is a root word for time. Okay, so chronograph means record of past event. Record of past event. Like whatever happened earlier, they would have written it down. That is what we call chronograph. Synchronize. See, root word doesn't always has to come at the start or at the end. It can come at the middle of a sentence as well. It can come at the middle of a word as well. Synchronize. What do you mean by synchronize? Yeah, happening at the same time. happening at the same time. Happening at the same time, synchronous. Okay, guys, let's end this session. Okay, let's end this session. Let's see you tomorrow. Same wavelength. Okay, okay, guys, this is enough for this class. Okay, let's see you guys tomorrow. Done? Okay, bye bye.